What's up, guys? Both signers coming in the building. Like, comment, and subscribe. Wagwan peeps. Are we there with another
new banger?
Why you doing, John Crow?
Hit it.
Look at this dude. Banger! But as usual, guys, right before we get tonight, just remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe because it really help out your Jamaican YouTuber for sure. But anyway, peeps, no more itching. Right into it. Good morning, people. Happy Thursday to you. Yeah. Shout outs to the old peeps there, man. Yeah. They are open the light, look at Rasta beat, you see it? It's a ass, yeah. Oh! No? Anyway, peace, I'm still going to be an idiot. Yeah, man, so, alright, voice note surface recently with a little man, a ventar. Is a bad man or a gangster youth, a Jamaican gangster youth. But pretty much I say, yo, them purpose you need to get some. You know what I mean? Them and the JDF man, them to get some. We need to run out upon them right now, you know what I mean? Man? Say, yo, I'm going to initiate a thing, you see it? So, you know what I mean? Make we listen to it. No more itching. And give me your thoughts on it. Yeah?
Serious level, dog. I want some man line up some bad man, dog. Some serious man, dog, with some rifle and some K. And some bumbo-clad pantans with some blood-clad pan clip. And just look for search for some police boy, dog. And just straight police and soldier, dog. And light them up, brother. Light them up. We no business who want dead, innocent, anybody are dead, dog. Because you know, if no man not do this, brother, if no man not do this, them police are not gonna understand certain things, dog. You have to make some man afraid to turn police nowadays, dog. Them man just want to turn police to kill innocent people and take advantage of innocent people when in them position, dog. You see me? So you want all a man who all target all the soup, a target everybody, lieutenant, every blood clot body, every.
Oh!
Yeah, you know, hear that for yourself. Man say the soup. Man say more everybody robot. Innocent in no business. Make people afraid to turn police or soldier. Pretty much what I say. You know what I mean? So I don't know if it's my vent, but that's the mindset of a different man. I won't judge anybody. You know what I mean? But let me know your thoughts. Alright, peeps. Here next issue I want to cover you now. And it up here, so. It's under the DRMA, which stands for Disaster Risk Management Act. So recently, 2 days ago, the Jamaica Constabulary Force passed a law and said, oh, police can just arrest you and them don't need to tell you nothing.
Tell us what happened to your baby father.
He left home, go to shop to buy Lasco for the baby and then threw him for the soldier jeep came down here and go lock him up. The baby now get the Lasco, mother like to know she party Lasco then, if they carry Lasco down here.
So are you upset about the state of emergency?
No, I'm not obsessed. I can't obsessed. Then just see him and just shrimp on the soldier jeep like water.
So have you spoken to the police? Have you spoken to the police?
Why them arrest you? Once you breach that, straight jail time. Lock you up, boom bang bang bang. And I just eat that for you. You'll get charged and so. Boy. So individuals who have breached them law and thing, we're in some serious problem right now. You know what I mean? And it's rough. I have to say, just watch out. Be careful on the road. And just do what you have to do. Enough unruly people there road still will make it rough. Why the police them have to kind of do them things still. Not enough people are going to vex and so, but you don't know me, just start the facts. Alright peeps, next video now.
And the man said so, that's how all people there done. And the man said so, example, my brother, where it was real, yes sir. And then everything water down, come down to substitute. In those days, you know say man, you know, we're brief. And the man you know wear underpants. Now a flower bag then usually send flower in my brethren. I know say man them buy out the flower bag them and make one sit them called long draws. As in pants foot go up so. I the underpants put you see. I know why now. My brethren. You just notice say goat now wear draws, right? Ram goat. And you see that long string there. When him a run, you know. I saw the seed the back of him a go, you know, right? Good. Well, you see that long string there. I saw human being seed for long till you know. You put there and your seed must one length. And just through the man them go wear underpants and wear brief. You catch up the seed and make the seed shrink up. And that's why I make all the whole time man take with enough man woman. Because the seed bag long. And when he go up and slam, the seed bag rackle hand and batty root and tickler, right? If you know man she speak and know in tongue, she say wait, I want to so I go on so. You must say, you see that blue film work, you know, right? You understand? Yeah, anyhow, you see it swing up. You can't play them the role, right? And that's why no.
This is a clip where Bounty dropped some knowledge from long time. You know what I mean? Not long time, but a couple years ago. You know what I mean? About dancehall, the state of dancehall regarding the music and its influence on violence and gang war in Jamaica. So, yeah, make we listen to it and tell me the thoughts on it too. Don't.
And in the music, I do nothing to nobody, brethren. Everything that happen over the years. We don't know this Winford, man. When since a dancehall, I do nothing. In the 1980, a dancehall artist did I do it. And the political indifference and the tribal and the turf war where them teach the people them. And the gun and the drugs in the country. And the illiteracy and the unemployment and the poverty is a combination of things. The selfish people them were rich and not give nothing boy and not help nobody. Picture if you did have even 10 more bounty boy, will like bring people and help people and drag up people out of the trash. How much more you would I get helping?
Impressive.
That's a facts. That's facts, Bunty. That's facts. You hear the man say? Music no make nobody do nothing. And the illiteracy, the unemployment, the gun, the drugs, yeah. Enough people who have the power and help people who have the power because they mean. Me agree with everything where Bounty Killer just said a while ago. It's not dancehall music. You know what I mean? Sure. It have negativity in terms of what is being said and stuff like that. But as Bounty said, it's a combination of everything. You know what I mean? I don't believe I just the words because the man say, yo, me go bust your head and kappa shot in your head and make your rough like that. No, I don't believe say really. I don't believe say it. You know what I mean? Make Jamaica stay or Jamaica stay right now. But anyway, comment down below. Let me know your thoughts on it. And make we chat, don't it? Hey, next video. Alright peeps, next video now.
Oh! Somebody! Oh! He needs some milk! Oh!
No. No.
Hope you enjoyed that video there, don't it? Hear my thoughts on the whole matter now. As we tell you regarding what Bounty Killer say, dancehall no contribute to no man for do none of them things there. You know what I mean? At the state of the country, corruption, politics, drugs, guns, illiteracy, and the people them with power who have it no want help. You know what I mean? Jobs not really there. Or as you can say, some man just lazy and just don't want to do nothing. No man no want to try nothing. You know what I mean? So yeah, that's my take on that too. You know what I mean? That brother there with the gun talking and so, brother, be careful, yeah? That's all I can say. Be careful what you say. You know what I mean? Cause the same person where release that voice note the way you have said that person is not your friend. That person is not your friend. If that person was really your friend, them would have never ever leak that information there. And them can make you get yourself in a trouble, sir. Whether or not you have vent yes or no, or you're a real gangster, you can get yourself in a trouble. Your friend is not your friend, or so-called friend is not a real person, real friend. Cause them just mess you up a while ago and just put you upon the ear pretty much. That DRMA acting there, boy, rough a road for enough people right now. So please practice social distancing, as me tell you now. Wear no mask, please, as me tell you now. Just come off the road now, man. Just come off of the road. Come off of the road. If a man say curfew at that time, you just come off the road. Nobody gonna no illegal party when on a permit for keep and all them things. Just keep on yourself safe now, man. Cause if you lock up in a whole heap of money that you know, can't squander money nowadays, you know, have to take time, pinch the money. Look what we have. You know what I mean? Especially if somebody send it from foreign. Come down here, come give you one thing. You know? So, yeah. You rough a road. But anyway, peeps. Big up on yourself. Comment down on the rest of the matter them. And make we know what go on. Thank you very much for watching. Happy Thursday. And just join with your boy. Ashoo!